Hi, Tarly. David Burston here. I'm really keen that you're joining us for the Professional Communication Workshop next Sunday week on the 2nd, uh, which is at the Community Support Centre at 13 Donald Street. If we want to kick off at 8:30, so if you can get there about 8:15, so we start on time, that would be great. We'll have all the writing and books there, so you won't need to bring anything, just bring yourself, be enthusiastic. Um, the program is for building your confidence and speaking skills. That's basically what it is. And during the day, we've got a whole heap of interactive sessions so that you're practicing what you're doing. We start off with the fear factor so you understand what holds you back. And then we look at putting together a speech very quickly, in like 10 minutes, a memorable speech. So we give you the tools so you can do that. So you're not afraid to say, okay, how can I put a speech together quickly? Then we work on connecting with the audience. You've got to connect with an audience. They've got to be really riveted in what you are saying. We have a look at the mechanics of humour, because humour is a really strong way of connecting with an audience, and humour is very mechanical. And finally, we look at impromptu speaking, being comfortable answering questions, getting up at meetings. If you've got to do an interview, a job interview, how you get comfortable with impromptu speaking. So we will be using humour and having a good time during the day, so that it is a fun day, and we make it fun. We understand that people, it's public speaking can be something that's unsettling. So we have a lot of humour, and you will enjoy it. And during the day, I'll explain the strategies that we're using to connect in a training situation. So if you have to do any training, there'll be lots and bits and pieces you'll pick up as we go through so you're better at training. Now, if you know anybody who would like to come along, look, reach out to them, let them know. We've still got only a few places left. We've had a really good turn up, but let them know and get them to book in. Okay, Talia, looking forward to seeing you on Sunday week on the 2nd.